Hello all, welcome to my channel Revathi in Kitchen. Today I will be sharing the recipe of Potharekulu. It's a very popular dessert made in Andhra. It's completely made of rice starch, sugar powder, ghee and cardamom. We can also call it as paper sweets. So let's get started. We'll have a quick look at the ingredients. Rice 1 cup, sugar half cup, few nuts, badam, cashew and pista. First wash the rice, soak it for 4 to 6 hours. Now take the sugar, grind it to a very fine powder. Take all the nuts and grind it. Grind the nuts to a coarse powder. Don't overgrind it. Lastly, we take the soaked rice, add required water, grind till the batter becomes soft. Take the batter, add more water and make the batter to a running consistency. We dip a cloth and the cloth size can be of a handkerchief. Now we'll take a pan, heat it, keep the flame medium to high. We'll grease the pan with ghee, spread the dipped cloth on the pan and quickly remove it. This will coat the pan with a thin sheet of batter. We'll keep the flame to high. When the sheet becomes crisp, we'll remove it. And we'll repeat the same procedure to make more rice sheets. Once the rice sheets are made, we take the sugar powder, ghee and nuts. And take a rice sheet, add some sugar powder, nuts and ghee. Once it is done, fold all the sides inward to form a rectangle shape. Now fold from one side to prepare a roll. Tasty and delicious Potharekulu is ready. Please try this recipe and comment in the comment section. Thank you all for watching this video.